Drawing a shape in your document using one of the picture frame tools serves as an image placeholder in your document. When you're ready to place your image, just select the shape, go to File, Place, find your image, and then your image will go directly into your chosen spot. A nice feature of this tool is we see some adjustment options directly below the bounding box. And if we hover over the object, we also get some image positioning options. On the other hand, if you want to skip all that and place an image directly into your document, simply use the Place Image tool to find your image and place it into your document. If, after placing our image, we find that it doesn't fit exactly like we want it to, instead of using another program to crop and recrop our image, we can use the Vector Crop tool. This is a great way to adjust images within our composition non-destructively. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel. To learn more about how to design using Affinity Publisher, check out my course at the link below the video. Thanks for watching!